Welcome to First4frames. Today we're going to show you how to create a multi-aperture frame using First4frames website. Need to order online. Here we have a variety of different types of frames that we produce, from single apertures to multi-apertures to panoramics and various other ones. For the purposes of today, we're going to select this particular layout and the multi-aperture. Here we have the layout that we're going to use today, and here we have the actual glass size of the finished piece for this. The finished glass size is not the actual outside size of the frame because it varies depending on the frame that we select. We also have the sizes approximately of the actual prints. When it comes through our system, these print to exactly the correct size and layout in one sheet, ready for dry mounting and full assembly of our setups. We have options down here for different colours on your single layer mount boards. So if you just click on one of them, it will come up with a colour showing you what colour to expect, and by selecting one of these mounts, it automatically defaults to single snow white. You can add a second mount to it if you wish to create a double mount. Same goes, and the additional cost implied. Down here we have various options for different types of frames. These all can be selected at the beginning and changed at the end. To create the actual print, we need to go into begin creation. Where the system fires up. Simply click on one of the boxes and we can import pictures here from my device, which is your PC, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Drive. For the purposes of today, we're using my device, and we'll pick some images from here and upload them into the system. The speed of this depends on the size of the images and your connection speed. We would recommend that you press cancel at this stage, or the whole system will automatically just fill the boxes as it pleases. So the first picture, the main picture for this, we're going to use this image here, and what we can do is we can zoom in and move the picture to suit. If you need to zoom it in just a wee bit, you can use this facility here and maneuver it to suit yourself. Once you're quite happy with that, you just press apply. Same goes for the other images and the other boxes. You just simply fill the boxes to your heart's content. If you need to change an image, simply just press swap and pick an image. Again, we can rotate, zoom and rotate. If the image needs to be rotated, you simply just press the rotate button until you're quite happy with it. Once you're quite happy with your total layout, you just press next. Again, you've got the options here to select your mount colours and your different frames before you order it, and we simply add to cart and proceed through the cart process, and it will come through our system once it's paid, and we will simply put it in production for you, and it's ready to either pick up from the premises or you can have it shipped out. The options are there. Thank you very much.